How can we help you?
Yeah, oh my father burial. So as the court money give us, so I can't decide say okay, me I go Austria, me I go also. So as I reach Austria, now police owe me almost 1 week now I spent for J there. So they can't deport me. So money can't deal with me. So as I reach house, we can't do burial. I can't say I'll use the remaining money, find something they do. So inside there, so my mom can't begin to sick. My mom can't begin to sick. We can't begin to spend the money. So not do. I can't lose my mom. Ever since everywhere can't get ACB for me. Ever since everywhere can't get ACB for me. So now I can still talk to some of my friends. So now they can say make I call you. Baba, I beg, I need help. I be one just open store or I'll bet as it the work. Now what I your need, sir? I beg, sir. Okay. I beg, sir.
When they deport you?
December 30, 2023.
December 30th. Yes, 2023.
Yeah, now this December 30, now they complete 2 years.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Edo Gallant, get what you want to talk.
Epanoge Domosa. So. How far? How you there? You remember this? You remember this? You remember this voice?
Yes.
So remember this voice. You remember 2022? Yes. Where they bring your matter on my table. You don't pay Shwesi money.
When they bring my matter on your table, you not call me, ask me, I not call the whole money. Now boss, they ask me, I put her for video, I explain what happened.
You don't pay her the money, yes or no?
Wait,
I not the whole money. I go explain what happened, I not the whole money. If I the whole money, I go pay him.
No, the PM. Thank God, I already sent you the voice record, everything there be.
The voice record where the girl said you. The voice record where the girl said you not hear from me, you not ask me question. So
I don't Gallant.
Nothing.
If I don't get hear you.
What did this guy do? Well,
Panoge, not so wait 2022. Oh my God,
English, make people for understand.
English.
Big pigeon.
Now you want to tell me English? You know your platform. Is there your platform?
No worry, they talk. No worry, they talk. Talk.
So the 2022, first come bring this guy matter come my table. Say me rent us for person. So the person he call shop the person money 300 euro. So this woman was heavily pregnancy. The girl there she get belle. I mean she was Sherry, which is I send you the girl TikTok account. Now Joyce now call give me the matter. So then when they call her the boy, they call this boy, make this boy call pay the money. This boy call the deny. So when they pay, because they saw the woman, they call the woman names.
Okay. How you know reach for the matter?
Okay. Good evening, everyone. What it happen? People when they speak, when they hear, they understand. Now occupy Boston house for Spain. So this woman, he call me, not be okay woman because he don't born now. He call me, he say make a bust house for him. Then they bust him for Spain. People when they Spain here go understand. Yes, bust the house. Yes, occupy. Now they call her occupy. So yeah, we they add Morocco join body till they bust the house. Somebody don't write yes here. So we they add Morocco join body till they bust the house. We bust the house. Sometimes you feel secure them if police not come. If police come, not be only one person they do one. Now we with Morocco, we don't share money. Police come, the money don't pay. It they happen to a lot of people. So when the girl bring down, say me and bust us for her. For Florida, for Barcelona, I can't go bust house. Police can't close the house. So as police can't close the house, the girl can't say I must pay the money. Now can't say, you want can't change them. When be say me with Morocco don't share the money and the house we bust them, police don't close them. It's not possible. So the girl can't tell this girl so But this guy not call me. He can't go post my picture. He can't go the talk say
Who be this guy? That be your mate. Who be this
now
guy?
you the mad.
Who be this guy? Be your mate.
That
They
was
listen. Even though say I can't wait, even though say I can't platform, say I need them. You are a madman. I'm 37 years old. You think I be your mate? Are you okay? Calm down.
You are still a baby.
Okay, if I'm still a baby, no problem. But if I dey talk, not talk to me. When they talk, I no answer you.
If I don't go play your voice record, maybe you are senior. I don't play every.
Just my voice record there with him, and my voice record was with you. I not the I the fear, I not the lie. So when you call me, you not call me. You come they post my picture. They talk say I collect the girl money. I know, but I know I want renters. You can't change the word. Now I can say why? How? They are not even come my you. One day they can't call me for life. One boy for France, they can't day life. The boy can't call me. He can't say the day life, say see what it happen. Now say see the way when it happen. See the way when it happen. They can't bring that girl come up. The girl called the talk say I'll give her the money, this. Then the girl can't begin to write me again. They tell me say I must give her the money. I apply for one and I say yes. If you talk say I play you for 1 night, no problem. If you talk say I thief from you, you talk say anything, yes. No problem. Now so you reach.
So wait. If you want make it help you, if you want make it bad help you, this one when you take the talk so it not go work. You know see things don't happen. No fake and no use and no defend the matter. You don't know for this city. Everybody know. So waiting how you take the explain the matter now, you need to explain yourself well because the way you take the answer that woman since all those years, you show her to her face say you collect the money, nothing they happen.
Okay. Then
wait, make I talk. You know say you wait.
They listen.
Wait.
I know you.
Wait.
Wait. Enemy of friends, enemy of friends, enemy of us. Me, I tell you something.
Wait.
First.
So make I talk. I'll fit talk to you.
Not the waiting be occupied.
May you wait. I dey talk now. Wait. Me and you did this city here for many years. I know how you take waka, how you take everything, how you take that Naija.
I don't know how to take waka because
listen.
the waka.
So. Wait. The way you take the talk now, you not go work. You know why? Because
not be you want talk now. May you let the guy defend himself now.
You know what
you let the guy defend himself now.
My brother, now help I need. If you can't say me, they not give me that one.
Pull out for a year,
but you know say as you dey ask for this matter go come out. You need to address before people.
No, they listen. As I ask for the help, the matter come out. I don't even care about the matter because I wish I thief him money or he give me money say he want renters. Now occupy there or not there. You feel swear put say occupy there or not there. You feel swear put yes or no.
Okay, so now do that business is when okay.
My brother not say business. When police bust occupy or return money when I not chop.
You don't see the turn now. You don't pass now. That is a done. Is a done deal. You don't pass. That matter don't pass. Now other matter now carry this guy come here.
I hear so na sit up for Basa say I fight na dey deport me.
The guy get out to defend himself.
So wait. Now Spain, now me for
MC Kekere, may you see explain
let the guy talk.
the Spain passport.
You let the guy talk.
Wait till this so they talk so na truth. Me I get two property for Spain. Everybody they put alarm, camera for us, register. Wait till this boy talk now. Wait till they do for all Spain. If you leave your house now, say you get house for Spain. They'll go know if you know they go the house where like me at this Swiss. I get house there. The one I first get before. And they go there for vacation. Sometimes 1 year not they go. If they notice say that house person not they go, they'll go boss her if I no gay. They go boss her, they go enter, they go they stay. If you get locked, say your labor or if in a private house, that person way nearer. Say I beg, let me they look this house.
That's so it be everywhere. When I enter this France,
these people call you, you call police.
Now so it be
before
everywhere.
21 days, bros wait. Before 21 days, you get right, police go come, you go throw away these people load. If they pass one more, they go stay for 1 year. If you see the paper, you go they pay. 1 year after 1 year na court go give order sometimes 2 years court go come give order na that day police go come if na pant dem get that day na police go take throw away dem answer dem come put one door wey the door wey dem no fit dey break dey enter security door na dem come dey put for the front and many people dey do as the so take talk so as so be na dem dey use Moroccan Senegalese take dey operate together. Sometimes they go get
and the lady know say now wetin dey happen.
Bros, wey sometimes they go get luck.
The lady know now.
Sometimes they no go get luck. Na be the thing wey e dey. No be the first time that they do this thing for Spain. And they no dey even put
una dey explain wetin dey happen for Spain.
Na wetin dey happen for Spain no good.
Madam Stella,
wait, I dey talk to Enoge, not be just so.
You say make this boy explain himself that time,
if you try to listen for the both side to decide and 1.7.
If I not get the woman don't come.
The woman don't come.
Even if the woman come, no level.
Any people
If I no get, what I see for this baby say these people where they bring this guy down, when not they help this guy, they know this guy well. For his city. And they don't do this guy meeting for back. You understand? They don't conclude this matter already for back.
This guy came here for help. This guy came here for help. More help him. I don't know if you understand. More help him.
Sherry Gold.
I beg, make everybody mute first. I beg. See, on my platform, we dey do our things in a transparent way for this platform. If you are a sincere person and a honest person, we will help. Yes, I will help. Let me tell you today, so you go price the things where you want to start your business.
Yes.
But inside there, somebody call me this evening. Now I call the person, okay, no problem. If I did live, the guy climb, may you come ask him the questions because I don't know what's happen. We need to settle this issue first to see, say you dey honest. To see say you not wrong anybody or anybody money not deal with you before we cannot proceed to help. Adam may also wait. The way you take talk at first, you were so rude and marry running because there's a person with hand they look for something. You go patient because the way you take react just now to me.
Okay, why agree on but he hasn't get him up. Usuyana kekekere na kinya ya zigete yokpa emi oma no we ni emu ogi pa me
big pigeon.
Anybody wey go say me lie against me wetin happen to me go happen to am. Na among those people na he collect woman for my hand for Spain. He friend I can't sleep street. Okay, you understand? Among this kekere friend, this boy so kekere friend. Now they see collect woman for my hand. I call the sleep street. They not like me because I know they want really me go with people. But if there anything where they like me, they talk. But waiting happen for the house, the woman give me money say need occupier. If not be waiting, tell me be that say not be occupier I do for them. Make this night kill me. Now occupier say when we bust the occupier, police all lost. Bought me with the Moroccan, they all lost for the occupier. Then I'll come tell Moroccan when police also may return money. When they don't give am occupier, then the girl come comot, they come carry us comot. Then when the girl come me, I come explain to am. The girl say no, I must bring the money. No, I not call the money again. If you send me message, go say I plan for one night. I do Yahoo. I'll say yes, I play you for one night. I do you Yahoo because I don't feel they talk again. See what thing happen. I already explain. Then he can't go tell this same girl so. This girl not call me. He can't go post my picture say I thief. Then the thing can't even cause quarrel for social media. I call the verse say. First, you will call me. If I even do you something, you will call me. If I not go attend to you, you will not say, okay, this boy doing. You not call me, you go post my picture for social media and say, I thief, I do this. Then one guy for France can't say me I not do like that. Say more talk the matter. We can't talk the matter. I can't talk say see the way when it happen. Everybody can say why this woman can't they draw you? He said that's the same place. Then they can say okay, wait till go happen. 150 give. And I say the money not there with me. Now me with Moroccan got a shop. They don't share money. We don't share money. Everybody don't take you.
I say the woman dey here.
She's here. I'm gonna bring her up. She dey here.
Admin, I beg, gonna bring Sherry up.
Very good.
Wa jo paru okpa ne. Wa gun mo Sherry good you go do. Hello, Sherry Gold.
Good evening. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. You know this guy?
I know him. I know him. Good evening, everyone. I greet everyone.
Good evening.
Hey, pa, see what happen, okay? First, this boy, I dey see him face whenever they go work for morning time. But na person website I no really get in contact with. I know say na Nigeria boy. You understand what they meet for road when they go work. So it can't reach one time where be say I can't get belly. That time I get belly that time.
This guy's power tap and give.
So as me can't get belly. I can't get problem with the house where I dey. So I can't dey look for another place. So as me can't dey look for another place, I no get any contact with this boy. I no get any contact. I dey see him normally, but I no get any contact. Now just bros, good morning, I pass, he pass. So as me come dey talk to Nigerian people who I know for my side, say I dey find house. So anybody will see house. So now the content say na house say it no easy to get. Say me go do occupy, whether me go do breaking house. Now I can say I no mind. So now people are going to talk to content say okay. Say he know they do am, but he no person where they do am. Say he go give me the person number. Now I can't say okay. He can't give me social number. So I can't contact and tell and say see who give me your number. Oh, I beg I dey find house. Yeah. So he can't tell me so okay. Saying they run am. Say now waiting they normally they do. Now I can't say I go like me do one for me. He can't say okay. Say make me come out for Fondo. For Barcelona here. So he can't say make me come out for Fondo Metro. Mu talk. Now I can't say okay. I can't go meet him for Fondo Metro. So he can't explain to me, say he get one of 1,004 something like that, and he get one of 700. So now I can't say he can't tell me say, but the thing be say house say sometimes Ogbas go come. If the person don't enter, they come pursue you. But as me can't get belly, say good for me. So I can't say okay, I first take the 700 home because now risk. Now I want to take so that if he cast, I go fee biaram. He can't say okay. He said, but waiting day there be say, me go give him advance. Me go give him half of the money. Now I can't say yes. He say yes. Now I can't say okay. So he can't tell me we are Congo meter for Florida for hospitalette side. So now I can't tell us okay. So as he be, so I go first give him 300. Then if he don't do him, then that day when me go enter, me go give him the remaining one. Now I can't tell us okay, no problem. So I can't go meet her for Florida. I can't give him 300. That day why I give the 300, I never even reach house. So block me. He blocked me. I never reach. If I lied, so may God take my life. Wait now they fight for this Europe man no get them. I never reach house. Nice also take my block me. So as me because I want to say when they do that thing, say I want my day. Now make I can't say he don't block me. As me cause okay, ma tell and say if they do that thing because he say na that night now they go if he say if they don't do I ain't go let me know. So now I say okay, ma tell and say no, I need to dey around so that if they don't do because now people where they do and so they tell me say me go there around. If they don't do me go enter, carry some small thing, come enter. So now I come say ma right and say which time way one do and say ma dey ready, carry small thing, come meet them. He come say this boy don't block me. I was like, waiting happen at the dream I be waiting. He blocked me for WhatsApp. So I can't try calling for normal call. You know answer. So now that time now person will give me number. Now I can't call the person Casey. I can't call Casey say see what happen no. Say this boy I give him 300 just now. But he blocked me. Now Casey can't tell me say why me go give him money first before we never break the house. Now when I waiting I never do before. I seen they tell me now say they say okay. He say now he can't tell me say they know they pay advance before they break the house. Say if they don't break I go carry the money give the person instantly come out. Now so okay see them. They come the child made them talk to so no they agree they pick their call. So come now then come the time say he don't block me. He don't block me. So block every of him friend wey try to reach out to him. Then I say, as you see say you no wan do this thing, why I collect money for your hand? As he wan come block me, tell me say your house cast. I open am, Ogba to come. Now your house cast. Not like say house wey be say I never enter. You no open up for my eye. How I want to see say he cast. So far I say you no open am. I no use my eye like this. See you open our house. Where be say I enter. How you go tell me say he cast? Now so come block me. They cost me. All the whole voice notes I still get them up to today. Saying they control me. Anytime when one insult me, insult my family, he go unblock me. He go insult me, he go block me back. All the whole voice notes. Now so they block me. I no get any contact again with them. I no see them again. People are now after this thing happen, now I come put in picture for my TikTok. Say anybody will see him because I no come they see him. Anybody come that say go Italy, be France, I don't know where I can go, or if say there Barcelona or Spain, he come there, we have say no come they see him. So I can't tell anybody where see him, make them let them know say they may bring my money. After I can't tell me say make me bring my cat, may give me the money, he go give me half of the money. I can't even accept. So okay, may give me half of the money up to date. You don't give me anything, bang.
Out of the 300,
you don't give me anything.
Oh, agree say go give you 150, but at the end
150. I can't say okay, may give me up to date. You know, give me anything. Instead, they cost me, they cost my family. They tell me how I take you show for Spain. It cost my family, cost my generation. I still get the voice records.
How many phone you get?
I get one, just one.
Why would you talk to me so that the thing dey?
Yeah. I even post. I think I post the video. I post that so on my TikTok. If I not because at a point it be like I can't delete. I can't delete. I beg, man, just come out those things. I don't remember what I still did my TikTok now or no, something like that.
But yeah, continue. No, okay, wait. The issue here now between Sherry and Soso. You are lost eyewitness. So wait. Make it finish first. Sherry, go continue.
So now so the thing they happen. I come as me come post me picture. My friends also come they report them. So you can't get one lady like that. People say that lady they Italy that time. So now they can't try to talk to. Now see Nedo Galazi. See, I think so. Can't help me. Can't even for that day self. Everybody we even think say we done as I still come this life. So now so we contact and talk everything. You can't they do like say yeah, everything done settle. Say okay, yeah, you go give me the money back. No wahala. But now for social media here in talk at the end of it, you know give me anything.
Because I want to ask Soso question now. But the thing where you don't explain to us so far, make I repeat them. In case maybe I not hear or na me not hear or I write. You say, man, you look for house where you want to carry for Spain.
Yeah.
Additionally, this one the first time they see Boston house for Spain. They say they France to me no. Okay.
No, I know they France, so are they Spain?
No, they say the Boston still the happen for France. Like as no person not get. If they see a person they stay there, they'll try to go bust the person we has they stay there. Okay. This guy can't tell you say na in work, na in job.
Say na in job, na say na what thing they do.
You can't give her 300. I'm unyayo well, my person will give me yam. Then now, from the day where you give her the 300, he can't block you. You not come here
instantly. As me can enter metro because now metro I tell they go the place where they may have to meet them. As me can enter metro, they go back. Now I say ma message them. Let me know when you want to do ma they.
You can't try to reach her now. You not feel reach her. You can't get to call the person where use you know her.
Yes.
At the end of the day, to cut the story short, he confess agree say go pay, but he not gonna pay.
Yes.
He go pay half. Sometimes they go tell you say go pay the 300, he not gonna pay.
He not pay, yeah.
And they call they insult you, they call you show and stuff like that. Abi?
See.
Okay. So may you still talk to us. We not they hear you, You need.
Okay, I'm I don't explain since in the comment section there. I want explain from the place when he start to the talk. He say I block him as I in comot. So how I can't tell the insult him? That one I want.
He don't block me like I said before. He gon' block me. He gon' block me like I said before. He gon' block me. He go tell me what he want. Tell me, say me they carry am. They go social media. They do wetin I dey do. Say make me
no rush. No rush.
He will block you, unblock you, block you, unblock you. Yes, you said it. Okay, so continue.
Then the listing. Epa, the listing. He say those people come they call me. The point when he talk now, I just want to bring out first. He say I not call the reply. I beg those messages. So if he play them, say he not play the part, your part. Wetin happen to me go happen to them because he insult my mother. Now begin to call and talk. Say you dey imagine with Biachawo. With after I do busting house, if I not do the busting house, make this night be my witness. As I do the busting house, they all lost. The money don't bring. I saw they be for Basa.
Wait, when you they do the busting house, so was she there with you to see it?
If they do the busting house finish, you will call him. He will come enter. Now so that they do him. Some people go there close to there. Then if they don't finish, he go enter. But sometimes where they bust them, I feel even go jail put for that thing.
Yeah.
People they drop comment, they here, people they here. People they comment here. They figure tell other people their friends say me they bad the right bad comment to support them. Me I not get anybody when go support me, I not get friend, nobody. Now let me one. But I they talk wetin happen. Then the day when they talk that money, that girl, so the girl when he talk say talk to me just now. Me with that girl never talk once, even for life. Even for life, me with that girl never talk once. Now other people can't day life. Won't come that day. Even those people when can't even day life that day, they don't even they talk to this girl. This same girl when post my picture. I can't they talk say why the girl go post my picture. I can't tell say I go even swear put. If it be say I really do waiting this girl make and post my picture. I say I'll swear put. I go even see swear give the girl. People when they can't say no. They can't invite this girl come up. Somebody come talk for them say waiting go your apple give her half of the money. I can't say I not go give her. We don't do the busting house. We don't do it. And not be me collect the money. Now me with Morocco, we gotta share the money. People, we went gotta go bust the house. We went gotta go bust the house. You understand? It just be like say maybe because say don't fair day Basa before I did there, it get influence. So you want to can spoil my name. Now let me tell you for Isabella. Because busting house, if they happen to anybody, people when they comment section, the people be a witness. If they happen to anybody,
wait, I want to ask you. Also black. Now that definitely has be your work when you do Europe. That work be your job.
I they do shoro, I see they do that one because way to survive, I know lie. I see the one, I they do shoro, I know one lie.
Mona Noves. You see, when I come here that time, not be say I dey join this girl or I dey join so. I felt talk say not be say they not go help her, but if he this is here, everything go good. As this girl take talk say this boy he block everybody when no say go feel rich am, even including me. How I tell know this boy, and since 2017 we know each other. We dey shoot skit together.
You say one of your friends carry a woman. That truth?
Epa, now he use it. Now he won't use in hand. He man drug the leg come out for that case. Because in that case, if all those one come, Epa, you go no, not be me go fit talk the story. There is no my friend because everybody know each other. My friend when you get, when be my friend.
Now you talk say there is no of your friend.
People
but you say I know that mean you take the friend.
Ugboko not be my friend. Ugboko not the come. Ugboko not even know my house.
Then me and your friend. Me and your friend.
Me and you, we don't shoot skit together. You know my house. You don't. You me and you don't dare well. The comedy skit when we shoot 2017, everything still there Instagram. They go bring everything. So not your talk, not the two the talk go deep.
MC Kekere, this one, the way you go to not too far.
Yeah, me not to them. Now they shook everything. Now they shook my.
Wait me see. Yeah, a matter one I greet you. Good evening. Wait me see. Yeah, this I don't have to consider this business was already a done deal. The lady knew what she was getting herself involved in. Even the guy knew what he was doing. I don't know if you understand. If this matter reached, if Nigeria would do this one a criminal, the woman a criminal, the guy too a criminal. I don't know if you understand because you know that what you were buying was in our teeth, the Wagoti farm. but you see patronize the thief. Now, what thing also so now owe you?
100.
I don't know if you understand. The law when also so now owe you. I don't know if you understand. The message when you send so you not there not to confirm whether you work or you not work. So now they tell you say you not work. You just have to believe what so say, because at the end of the day, you know say not be real ass you want go carry, or maybe now with contract or Jerry Bat. You knew from the beginning.
And if the matter even still pass here, you know if you talk out for police station.
You can't do nothing. There's nothing you can do about it.
You pay to the police station.
There's nothing you can do about it. It's or bad. It don't finish.
Okay, Sherry, go on talk. We dey hear you.
Okay, yes, sir. I understand what you're trying to say, but him where they do the thing for a year, according to them where they do them, if they do something for you where it cast where no enter, they need to do another one for you. Now so then they do them, I be no be so then they do them.
Okay, like
if they do them where they do them for you, they know the way they know
no,
their
wait,
own.
before you continue, Sherry, people they stay that kind of house, they go really stay.
Yeah.
About that house matter fit throw so like
people they stay. Wait. They go really stay.
Yeah, people they stay. People fit stay there for 4 years, 5 years. It depends. Yes.
It's a normal house. Normal house.
Yeah,
Everything is there.
People they stay for 20 years.
People know
they just close the house. Maybe they want to sell it or something like that. If
police come, the people say, okay, we give you so time, may it take come out. You can come find on that place. Or maybe the fees okay, may come they pay more money if send a government own. But if send a personal house, the people say may they give you time, may take come out. So but then no, you know say law where they for this pen where they do the occupy say if they open up for you no enter, they need to do another one for you. And secondly, they know the first they collect money advance.
I'll take do another one for them. I tell you say
they know they collect advance. All people where they come to say why you go collect advance. They know they collect advance.
You need to add money, join the money when you don't give me, so that I'll take on people join body, because money when you break on. Now
they know they do like that. People where they call you, not voting, they tell you why you go collect money from my hand.
Wait first.
Make I explain.
Wait. Onoje, I greet everybody for here. Now men with wisdom and women with wisdom, I there they watch over 2K people. You understand? In this life, what would this? So everybody they do things in a normal way. This bro see me they come up and so. Now human being, and this lady when you bring out him money, it ain't too stress and depression that time. Remember, she's a pregnant. Madam, quiet, madam, wait. I they call madam. She was also pregnant at that moment. She was vulnerable, and this guy had the opportunity of a vulnerable woman who is pregnant. Bro, according to the way it be, you are a criminal, and this woman is also licit to your criminal way. Now she they fund you to carry all this dubious society work. So this is me, I'll tell her the truth. Bro, if as it be according to our own street law, this will not be government law now. As you do something for this person, for this street bossing, so it no work. Madam, this thing no work, I be don't bust them, your money dey my hand, and I be don't give some kind of people who say will go around the matter, no clear. Madam, I'll bust another one, you go enter. You hold on first for like 1 week or 2 weeks, more to quick arrange. You blocking her at that moment, it tells so many meanings. This woman go easy say, he no bust a bust us now, he no bust us, so this woman no go know. That blocking alone will come and say, maybe he just want to chop my money, now make it block me.
Because you are right. You are right. Talk. Now you talk.
You are right. You are right. But I want to tell you something, bro.
So wait first. Wait. Person when thief something, he not go say they run, say stone meter for head. Now make the cash you now they want talk. So you wait first. So make the fair blame you first. So they don't go say because you do bad thing today, you can't do so stress. More no help you because you go do more. So more God that help you. But fair apologize. Yeah, you go do the apology. You understand? Madam, wait. Madam, wait.
I swear for you so now they do you so. Oh, they
madam, wait. Not because swear in get ancestors. Listen, madam, you wait now. So I beg. Maybe you don't do verse. Say this one can't go post your picture. That is why. Because the time when police hold you when you say you go bust that, according to your statement when you were talking as an investigative journalist when I be, you got what word when you mention. You say people, when I said to when we want go bust the house, then later you can't say people when we say we follow bust the house. Bro, you did not bust the house. You say people when we follow we want go bust the house. That was your statement. Then later on, you transferred from that word to people who can follow bust the house. So there's what called staying in one statement, and when you they argue when they argue with force and when they argue with low tone, your argument with high force, sorry by me, according to psychologists, you want make us believe say you bust that house. Listen, one, you want make us believe say you bust that house. And busting of house, to my own knowledge, na night, not be daytime. So I don't know the accurate time when this man take on meet you before you block her, whether na the next day or na in the morning she take meet you. You don't reach in the midnight before she come out when you take go bust that house. So bro, you were wrong. And when police, according to you, when police bust the house for you, they not take money from your pocket. Her money is still there. Do you understand? You must carry out your duty first before you begin disburse money as a street boy when you claim to be. When the house never bust, you're supposed to distribute money. So, bro, you fuck up for that side. Madam, you posting his picture because you be like say you go post person where they do bad thing, and at 12 now they do the bad thing. So I believe said exchange of words and then make una diminish una character. If they call you useless name, if they call you your own useless name. That's all I have to say, bro. If you have opportunity to pay this woman back, pay her, apologize to her, let her reverse her courses. You see these women, they are gods on earth. They carry ancestors and juju follow mat. That they are nyash, wait till they swear for you. Start to work that week. That's all I have to tell you, bro. Thank you. In Jesus' name.
You be bad. This person, you don't really watch me. This person, so you don't be bad person.
Uncle
I want talk, you can't talk now.
Uncle Eddie, everything you say na top notch, na 100%. I don't know if you understand. You say you read everybody mind.
Uncle, you read everybody mind. I go.
Wait till I want contribute for this matter. Be say, Cherry Goat day here. I don't know if you understand. So Black day here. Now problem, na carry their two come. I don't know if you understand. So Black on different, Cherry Goat on different. I don't know if you understand. So Black, you need to apologize. Give this woman
100%.
I don't know if you understand. You need to apologize. It work or it not work, or you need to apologize in a way to this woman. I don't know if you understand. Then any help who help you now, or any help who want that give you now. Now from inside this help, now you now for even if that 10% to take you have to compensate this woman. Because that 300 euro when you collect from her at that time, you don't even know where she for collect that money. She was heavily pregnant.
Exactly.
And there was no compensation or thereabouts. 300 euro not be
Dominion. She said something that because of her pregnancy, she not gonna get choice. Meaning, if not because she did pregnant, she for not go do
she for not run herself. She for not run her.
Because me they listen, the person they talk to.
So now apology, now you apologize. You don't even need to argue again or try to defend yourself. If they say you get where mad, they argue rich. You calm down, do the necessary things. I don't know if you understand.
If I reach my turn to talk, I feel talk now.
No problem.
So Black, an advice I won't give you. Simple. You see this woman, you don't insult her, and you hold her money, and she's pregnant, and she don't insult you. Out of annoyance, with her money, you block her. She can't swear for you. That's where company like say they catch you small. You understand? So if like say this way no catch you well, you still get bold to come ask for help. She still say you want escape for that swear. She can't stand for your presence. Block. You know what you say person they follow person for spirit. You still come out again. You still can't stand for your front. After you won't block your destiny for here now. Make you know say no be only for back. She they do you. She they do you now physical. You understand? Face to face, she they do you now, they say me, they play. So what do you need to do? Just to apologize to her if you don't have the money. Because now they don't carry you go Nigeria. If you know what you want to please her, for her to smile with you, you do it. You understand? This one be saying she don't do am. She can't come out fully.
And true. They carry you go Nigeria now. From Nigeria, they'll still carry you go inside village again. You can't go village.
I don't feel like I no swear for them. I was bitter. You know what if you see their house where they say me come out. You there almost to 9 months. I no get any option again. Not that I no get money to carry flat. That time, but just say you get your money, but you know if you carry house.
You know it's
because the things where then they ask in many.
I understand. Calm down.
I not feel get everything that time. Now make I want do am. He blocked me instantly.
First and foremost, so we need to use that they make parables say Edenamio temino bokboma is a no quazoi. Imagine to when do seva. Meaning the day where you see waiting they bring you down, waiting they always anything we point, I know they walk. The day where you see that thing, from that day, now that day be your testimony day. Because from that day henceforth, you not go do it, it go make you the good down again for life. What do I use this thing maybe say? If this woman still keep an eye on you for 3 years, you teach the talks and say, she swear for you. Madam, I beg you go return that swear.
I beg.
One?
I beg.
One?
Yeah, I beg.
We all of course go still because now she don't lost him, said don't lost him mom. For he saw all this stress when he come pass through, he go Nigeria at the end of the day, he still lost him mom. So I beg, you go forgive him.
Temper mercy with justice, I beg.
Now we go join I beg you. He will cost
I go report my 300.
No worry. He will give you, but I beg.
Chiri, we go beg you, I beg, yeah? I beg.
When I wait to get where they ask you, Madam, you want make you refund your €300 before you go free return the cost, or you dash sham?
I know that sham. If say maybe tell me say Sherry, say as the thing they happen, no, say as we want to
Mrs. Kelly.
Conquest. I for just leave them, but it do away take stress me during that time. This boy too did me, bro. When I know see this boy action that time. If this boy they cost me, go cost my sister self. They join. This boy, people where they know that time, where know the story that time, no.
Who this one where they say from 150 to 300? The blind are not they listed to person.
Now 300, now I give them.
Now they listen to person they talk to now. But for 150. According to this woman, he said when he called they draw the money, so called they agree say go pay 150. Well, what they listing? What they try to pay attention if person they talk to now. That's what the other woman they explain that they will not they understand. I call they explain to now say what you happen for 2003, see what you happen for 2001. If person they explain, what are they listening to the person? Madam, Madam,
there is stress you now.
Madam,
and I know they like me on the stress.
Thank you, Madam. Sherry Good, from your heart, you know if you forgive her without you not give you that money.
No, I'm sorry. But because that he paid me that time. So that bit of what I get that time, you go refund my money. If you don't refund my money, I don't forgive. My forgiveness now my money now. I don't feel like my forgiveness now my money. If you don't refund my money, I don't forgive him. Me and I don't get any problem again.
Wait now. He not come ask for help from us. Me never even start to donate now because now your issue now with the treat. He never really tell us why they deport him. But at least now we cannot tell the reason. Yes.
In the Nigeria so.
In the Nigeria.
See, now my God, now they punish you so. Now my God, I get belly that I cry. Now my God, now they punish you so. Okay. Now my God, so now they punish you. So, he tell me, what he tell me that time? Go find your.
Do you bad?
Wait,
God will punish me if I don't do you bad.
Go find your voice note again. What they tell me say you the top juju like food. Not what he tell me. Not what he tell me. Say the top juju like food. Tell me no you.
Sherry Good, hold on, Sherry Good.
Yes.
I want you to
speak for your body. If I do live, what do you want make you speak on Igbo?
Okay, now, I won't beg her. Okay, make her speak English. I the beg her with Igbo.
Yo, beg her with speaking English. Why you want to speak what you will not get?
No verse, no verse. Sister, what I want to tell you is this. According to this guy now, this guy has been deported since 2023. After he don't swear for him, no be today. Yeah. You understand? As he swear for him when you get belly that time, 223, now they deport this guy. And this guy reach house, no say no carry money reach house. He reach house, him papa die. He take money do burial for him papa. Now, him mama die. He bury him mama. Money finish. Now he want to start up a business. This guy don't do Nigeria for 2 years. He don't manage himself. He just now he decided to come out for help, to shout for help. You say if this guy tell you a story, you go won't carry money, come out for your pocket, give him.
You go help him. Even you to go help him.
Guys, wait. May we not now see now beg we they beg this woman. May we not force this woman say she don't forgive her. Because what did they happen to this guy? Now we don't even know where the arrows from they come.
Of course.
Now priest we go use for him. We'll come on.
I beg. Everybody say make I beg.
Not say everybody say make they beg and so bro. So. Not also.
We might be look back. That's what we say everybody. May you wait. See, this woman don't they follow you for good 3 years. They listen. Now, the day when people want to help you, she still come again. Do you know what this means? Do you know what this means? Do you know? Okay. By now,
I beg no verse from my heart. I beg no verse. I beg.
Wait.
He even tell me, he tell me, say Pikin wa born. When I can't even born, he say Pikin wa born because Pikin wa. What he say my Pikin be? Pikin when no to where me and you they do, where me and you they quarrel. So use your mouth talk what he say my Pikin do.
Yeah.
So we there here no. What he say my Pikin do? What he talk?
I don't need to talk all those one again. Since when you tell my mom that time, as you did,
yes,
insult my family.
What did I tell your mom?
So
Pikin when not them when we
no verse.
What he tell my Pikin? What he call my Pikin? What he call my Pikin?
No verse. I beg. No verse. I beg. No verse. I beg. No verse. I beg. No verse. No verse.
Is it they tell you see me no verse?
No verse. I beg.
Who say it's finished?
Sherry, I beg forgive him. I beg. Yeah.
I beg. No verse. I beg.
Yeah.
Sherry. Sister Sherry, if you watch her now, the 300 no be you take the chop they come since. You don't understand.
Sherry, good.
The pains where you don't work out past all this why, if it be say don't be only use swear for her now. Another combination of swear still they when they follow from other people when you don't do. Your own are just half. You know, say if now maybe now like 10 swear follow now. If you all reduce, maybe one small part of the swear go, you go to see progress for that side. Because this kind of guy now you go shop extra people money. Because this way where who can so not be small swear, you understand? So more treat you also many other people where still see and I made they come up, more still tell they say I beg you, may they forgive, bro.
Exactly. More for settle the matter.
So we'll call fee help from tomorrow.
Maybe before tomorrow, another person will call. Auntie, we know with anger you are furious right now. Don't remember all those words. Don't stomach it again. Yeah, those words that he said to you. I know you stomach it, but now just let it go. You know why? Because you have kids. Your kids might also wrong someone tomorrow. Somebody will lay curse on them. People are spiritual with their tongue. Please, you might not be there when your kids will find trouble tomorrow. Please. This is someone's son also. Please, with all dignity. People a day here, we get different problems. Me, they don't swear for me still. I still they face my own. You not where God of you do. You understand? Me when they call God every minute now. You know how they, you understand? Let's not be funny here, but auntie.
You are right. Everybody get your problem for somebody.
Good.
So please.
Now beg, I go beg you, Sherry.
Guys, what they gift me,
you know, say where all those issues they go on.
What they gift me, power tap.
You still call me, you still tell me as everything take play, make a call and you understand. I beg, we go still beg you. Because this matter when they talk now, it not be 2 years now, 3 years, it's 2023. So I beg.
4 years. So.
We know say not be to lie. You really stress good, and so really stress you, but. I beg, since when this guy take the Nigeria, even me I defeat for that, but just that as if they enter Nigeria, he not let anybody know. You understand? Now recently they talk now say the deporter, he didn't enter Nigeria like say maybe in a Kate. Me no even know. Now the observation, I mean to know say my guy.
I know feel let you know. Me and you know they play. I know feel let you know.
And me and you not quarrel before you come up for Basa. Me and you not get any converse. We not get any issue. You understand? So now so it be Sherry good. I beg no verse. You understand? No verse, I beg. Yeah, I beg.
Yeah, Ipa, all of another year. So, like this we take talk before. He saying go give me the money. Now, Ipa, it's also go give you my money. Then if he don't give you my money, you go send them come for me. I beg, no verse, no beside they message you. I beg.
No, they want to do business now. You don't need to send
so
it.
how am I to get my money?
May you wait.
Sister,
Wait.
this way they beg you, sis. You
Wait.
know,
May you wait.
I need bros, and I don't understand.
May you wait. No, we go reach there. Wait.
I don't forgive him. I don't
We
forgive
know,
am.
but may you
I
wait.
swear for them.
Wait.
God, I beg all the whole thing. What I talk, I talk him. I use bitter mind to talk and say he go suffer. Say I teach up my money. Say he go see problem where go pass.
Jerry, wait,
no go see how you want take a month.
Jerry, wait first. Jerry, wait. Another matter is just arising now. You talk about your husband, also say they collect wire from your hand. So those people now, like say their friends, they call me, say they want to talk the issue of they take collect wire from your hand.
I don't feel talk that time.
So now you don't already get 2 cases on this spot. But the way I see you, so you be person where go still use your hand, it is poor, waiting God is sending on your life. You get a guy issue so. Yes. Because if you not get a guy issue, you should have at least apologized with all sincerity. You are just doing it, make them go. You are not doing it from your heart. I will tell you the truth. If you want verse, you feel verse. For you, they talk as a big. We can help a lot of
Baba, no clap for no J for this talk.
we can help a lot of people. Not be say if we want help you, no fear. I feel stable. We not help one man yesterday with 1 million naira. Would they help? You know people who don't help this period. I feel say my fans have been more welcome with 1 million naira. Now, before 1 hour we'll get the money. I can do it. My fans can do it. But before we help somebody, we have to know if that person is ungrateful. We're not going to use oversubmitting a person we tomorrow will say no send us, maybe we help them. With all these things where they come up so, and the way they react, we are not even doing it. This is why this woman is not even forgiving you. You are not even feeling remorseful. Even upon all these stories, we will tell this woman never even say to us, say don't forgive you. Say me you give her money. Because they see the rudeness in you. And if we call this woman a bad person, he don't care because that's you. If the way we all take the beg her for years since, you just the beg and say, "Lao, I beg, I say my condition now."
Baba, imade rude, Benije no rivaje, imade rude.
No, so. Pride comes before a fall. Pride comes before a fall.
Baba, no get pride now. This I just be.
May you wait. You have to change it. You have to be more loyal for people to see you as somebody that they can help. Because you are coming here for help. You not give anybody money. Oh. The people wait want to help you. Now you the phone for right now, which is bad.
No, I'm not the phone, Baba. I'm not the phone. That's why I
talk something. Wait. This woman talk something, and your attitude towards her is not being real and remorseful. I'm sorry. You have to be remorseful to her because you are not doing it just because say you want to do her. You are doing it make she go. So that we can go to the route where you're here. But it doesn't work like that, my brother. We all are human. As at when this issue happened, she was heavily pregnant. And she said it to your face. Say, it's well for your enemy. You don't know the temptations will happen to you now. We make your father die, we make your mother die, we make you. Yes, everybody's going to die. But there are people that it is very difficult for them to forgive. The way I tell Rich Sherry, until you pay her that money, she not forgive you. Do what we got to do for you? So
not be lie, yo. If I read my mind, yes, I go forgive her, but my money na my forgiveness. Because that time, he pay me. I don't see what how this was take up with me that time. How he say, what did you do that time?
Wait first.
I tell you something.
I beg. Nobody should write it on comment section that no one is God. Now bad it full everywhere so. All in the name of no one is God. If somebody offends you and the person is really sorry, now we go to blame this woman. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Not the same person go offend you. At the end of the day, you will even offend the person. Go the form. It doesn't work.
I'm not the form. No, that's what I be. I'm not the form.
No, I don't know. Social media. If the way we see you, say you they beg from your heart since, everybody forgot the saga this woman say this woman a bad person. Which kind of this one? Which kind of heart she get?
From my heart, I dey beg am.
No, don't see people they talk. Well done with your mom, my guy. I'm not invading.
Okay, Sherry, I fit ask you something. I fit talk to you.
Wait first. So wait, calm down. Wait.
Okay.
Calm down. Most of you do this thing. Accept. Just accept and say you don't ready for cook. You don't ready for cook. Finish. 2022.
Now I want to tell am so. Now I want to tell am so.
He's not coming back.
Now I want to talk so. I fit tell you something. See, what I want to tell you so, because of everything wey don happen to me, just forgive. You understand? I don't pass through a lot. You say I offend you, not vex. From my heart.
I say you offend me. So
okay,
you know that
I offend you. Okay. I offend you. Forgive and forget. I beg. I don't pass through a lot. I don't pass through I beg. You hear? I beg. You look me as your brother. You understand? I beg. I know the joke. I dey serious. I beg. You hear? I beg. Your reason I say you just dash me the money, you take help me. Your reason I like that. You hear? I beg. Me and the damn beg you, I beg. You hear? I beg.
But I just say I dash you and can never, like I told you before, I can never dash you that money. I don't forgive you. So I'm so sorry that you passed a lot. You passed through a lot. I'm so sorry. I didn't even know because I didn't even know anything about you. Like after that thing happened, since then I didn't hear anything from you. I thought maybe you moved to some other country or something like this. So I didn't know anything about you. I don't know, say something like this happened to you. I'm so sorry. And if maybe one or two things where I talk during that time affect you, I beg, may God revise them. If may not that thing not happen to you, will be sent from my own side. I don't forgive you. May God himself forgive you. Not my own side. I don't forgive you with all my heart. I'm so sorry. Maybe that time I was angry. I know if you say maybe I was really bitter, but I talk one or two things that time. I beg. I know really no say it go happen. I just talk and because I say I feel so bad. I was bitter, I was hurt. Then I talk as my mind says. But I'm so sorry. Concerning your mom, concerning your dad, and also you being deported. I'm so sorry about it that you have been going through all these things. I didn't know anything about it. I'm so sorry. And may God help you. May you learn from your I don't know how I want to put them, but only you and God now 9 day for.
Sherry,
I don't forgive you.
Sherry, let me understand you, my sister. Thank you so much for forgiving me. What about the money? Do you still want it?
Yes.
Let me come in there, Mr. Enoge. Mr. Enoge, let me come in there, man. Understand? Okay. This life, nobody get this life. Everybody is bound to make mistakes. I don't know if you understand. That's why for exam or for class, they see correction. After you do something, after you write, you do something, teacher can't give you something. Fine, this is correction, so that maybe for take correct the mistake when you don't make for life before. I don't know if you understand. Mrs. Cherry, I don't know if you understand. Mr. Soso, I know say something transpired between you guys in the past. I don't know if you understand. A lot of things has happened to you. A lot of things has happened to Mr. Soso. And there is no 100% saying now waiting you talk now happen for Soso body, or now waiting Soso talk now happen for your body. I don't know whether you understand me. I don't know if you're saying. All of us are just saying we are just trying to be human. That's why they use that word and say if you listen at the cost when you cost now I feel Soso or the Jerry but if your business not be even happen safe, maybe not different thing entirely. I don't know if you understand me. Mr. Soso now, in the position where he dey now, he not pay you. I don't know if you understand me. He now, not there in a position where we go fit pay you. Now you even in the position, even if they owe you, you now still in the position to even say, okay, fine, so take 20 euro, take 10 euro. If in the future you see they owe me, you will pay me back.
I know say may give me the money now. If you not get them, no problem.
You let us understand now.
Give me my money because he tell me say, man, no go that side again. Don't forgive her. Man, no go to drink waiting. Don't talk. So I don't forgive. If maybe,
okay, I talk something.
that time
Okay, go back
I talk. Say if follow for waiting affect you, may God cancel him because I don't forgive him. May God forgive you. For my own side, all the whole I don't take them back. All the whole cost I don't take them back. I take them back. So for my own side, I don't forgive you.
You hear me, Sherry?
Sir?
Do you know of a woman called Glory Gold?
Yes. This is the person that I had a problem with. That time, that's why I was looking for another place to go.
This same person, so why you take a problem with him? Because your informations now also reach my table. Make I know if you're the truthful person.
Yeah. Yes. The
This
problem
person,
was
this Glory Gold tell you may stay a house for 1 year, you not pay us rent.
why they're lying. Who give you that information?
Not be lie, everybody knows, Sha, but
No, it's not what happened. Look what happened about that one own. Okay. I was looking before so own. So I rented a flat self-contained from the girl. Okay. So when I rented the self-contained, I was paying her, everything was okay. So less than 1 year, she wanted to increase the rent. I told her no, that is not how it works. At least I have to be in that house for 1 year. If you want to increase it, people that rent flats know how it works. You don't have to just wake up one day and be like, I want to increase my house. And then she said, oh, if you don't want to pay what I want, then leave the house. I said, okay, give me time. Let me find on that person. If you want me to just leave.
Madam, wait. Meaning all the time when you stay there, you pay us rent.
Ask her.
You will give me this information. If you know that what this woman is saying is a lie, you can come up now to debunk.
Yeah.
Okay. In that case,
I was paying her until when I told her, yeah.
Wait, we need your money.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Not now. Whenever you have the money.
Yes.
Whenever you have the money, yeah. Whenever he's okay, then if he has the money, he can send it to me.
I bet no verse, boss. Make I talk something so that you get the platform so that if you conclude them, if you get to know that
anybody who is talking alive about the glory, let the person come up.
Madam, hold on. Madam, hold on. Okay, Madam, hold on. I greet everybody in the house. You see, this woman when so the owe money, so there's one thing we go know. If this so not pay this woman that money, this woman might never come out there, bro.
At all.
Feel like everybody in the year beg her into saying.
And that's why they beg people.
That means we push them.
Say no, not blame this woman if she say she need money. Why blame her?
That time go be like say we dey push them, make it accept the forgiveness when they forgive them before.
God bless you.
And that time matter never say because you know why this problem be like this, eh? There's one thing when many people know they know. This man get belle, he get belle that period. And when this guy doing that thing, this man cry. On top of that belle.
Yes.
She shed tears. The pain. We feel look at her and say, no man, no matter, now she start oh, picking up be the same, no. Oh, head not be the same. Oh, head not be the same. Everybody get your own grace. Everybody get your own grace. Because when my brother do this thing, that I don't believe it today will do where it is so. He never ever believe it today go come. And this is why they call the day of reckoning. He don't believe the day of reckoning like this go come. When we say, and this one go do one platform, begin to talk like this. How it happen, not happen. He don't believe. If he play oracle, pastor tell and say, there will be a time this woman, you will go meet this woman will even contribute to even help you. You go say, lie, I mean, forget that thing. What did happen? That is life for you. See, I don't know what the police say, but I need to talk as the way it would be. If you like, we donate 20 million, give this guy today. Without this problem never solve. And many stones when they step on. And okay, I mean, no, yeah, he ain't even knows what to use the money to. You come again. And so my brother, you also never calm down, forget say don't pass through here. Because no matter when you say no. I say no, just make it quiet, no. Don't put your mouth.
You know they there when it happen. You dey put your mouth. Your own when it dey there when you pass through. You never think I want to come out. Other person when you hear for it, they say you say not true. Now if they ask you now, you see them say they ask you not pay for 1 year. You know if you defend them. You want to give 200 to now when you not give a house. You know if you defend you, they talk with you. I know rich. They say now person sickness. Now you go person when person go free for inside. If somebody else own they put a join you not go survive them. So bro, if I will be you. I will learn how to be sincere to myself and free my mind. I apologize to this woman, but this woman need that money. You not forget that thing. See this woman high. If you don't give her that money, if you let her 50 years time, that money you must pay her that money. If you let her 2 million years, that money you must pay her. If not, so the fire when they this high, you see him.
We want to help this guy today. Now he come again today. You don't see him.
Yeah. You see all the talk with the talks. You see, if you see him, she not this said to you. She not come out since it does the
Mr. Nogi.
I know I come bros novice. He say I know he say that money I no go leave am for you. If that not be today, but you must pay my money. If they repeat and since
you go pay me. I no lie. I know the hide am.
If they repeat and with the pen and the one say you must pay am, bro.
I no lie. You go pay me the money because he pay me. If say maybe where the thing they happen, where
bloody God, when we say
for 300 not what they chop today since 3 years ago. I for don't, but I do what they happen that time. Don't go give me my 300. I don't forgive her.
Mrs.
give me my 300.
Mrs. Cherry,
Bros Dominion, wait, Ukinebo. What you want?
For Glory God don't say come up just now. Let make me come up. Glory God na my friend. Now not just friend, sister. Now truth say Sherry stay at house. She rent now self-contained 1 room, parlor, kitchen, and you got the house to be. So you rent and give, and the first month they not get problem. She based on say we be Nigeria, she not that contract for her. You understand? So so she rent the house for her. Now Sherry, Sherry, let me talk no vex. She pay rent for few months.
My name,
Sherry, wait, let me talk no vex. If you want swear, if you go swear, no problem. Later, Sherry can't stop to the parents. She not they pay light bill. She not they pay water bill. Yeah, that not be lie. She not they pay light bill. She not they pay water bill. She not the parents. This matter, she did her house, so she not paying for close to 1 year or 1 year. Yeah, about they ever go court. Una not go court. They go court for the matter. In Glory God change the key lock how many times? They go bust the key. They go enter the house again. Police go come, they go come out, you know. So yes, not be lie, not go there. If it's way, my sister not there, this will not be so. If it's way, you get when they can't go court, now judge. I just want to bring the story. When they can't go court, wait now. When they can't go court,
mute first now, make it talk finish a bit.
No verse, wait, may I talk? No worry. When they can't go court, now judge. Now judge. Now can't talk the matter. She don't feel come up. She don't even sleep. She don't feel come up because she not there on social media. Now judge, God not there on social media. Now judge, now can't talk the matter. You know when judge don't pull up. Now police come pack their property, come up for the house for herself. My sister not lie. She even go not lie. Even when they change the key, they can't put those those automatic key when we say very strong key, say go feel bust. Now they can't put for the house. They can't put because of they can't renovate the house. Make she for not feel enter again. Not be police can't lock the house. Not be police and judge can't that day can't lock the house. My sister, if you go swear, no problem. If you go swear, no problem. This is not so na truth. You pay Abi, you not pay rent for 1 year plus.
Wait, you don't talk
300 the shop, so you dey shout. Okay, you when we say step he ask for free over 1 year.
You don't talk finish. I talk. Okay. So see what happen. Like I said before. Okay. I was looking for a flat. Then now we have been the live before my former landlady. Now tell me say Glory get flat. I can't follow Glory talk. We can't agree for me and I can't talk price. You can't give me the key. I can't stay for the house. Like I said, everything was okay. The house, my name no there for. me where rent full flat, no saying I 1 room I rent. My name not there for light bill, not there for water bill. Glory need to pay before he tell me say, make me transfer the money come for. Not like say no say they tell they do something, no. And the house where they stay, I need now my name supposed to be there inside. He tell me say you go change them, but the thing they take time. Now I can't say okay, we can't they pay. Okay? So less than 1 year, now be the problem, like I said before, he can't increase the rent. Now I say no, not say they tell they do them. If he rents flat, he have to stay at least 1 year. And every 1 year, now they tell they increase rent. You know, if you just grab wake up one day say, nah, you just want to increase your rent. So now I can tell me say, if I don't want pay, make me come out. Now contract say, okay, fine. If you want make me come out, you need to give me time. Not what thing that they do. You need to give me time to find that place. She not give me any time. Less than 1 month. I go hospital, I get appointment. Before I come back, he lock the door. I call police. If I don't get the contract, police not go tell me say, I open them. Moses now call.
My sister now Cooper. My sister no get about no investigate they call Cooper for here. Or Cooper, if you don't already did that house for 24 hours, even though if you don't dey inside the house for 24 hours, police not go fit chase you again.
Police come, he ask me whether me get padron for that house. I say yes. He get contract when say they live for that house. I say yes. Police
now padron, my sister na padron that you get, not be contract, not verse. She not have contract for you na padron.
Ma show you paper where they give me.
But na padron you get now.
Wait, so now police tell me, so okay, may I open them? I can't open them. I can't tell and say, you say, make me come up for your house. You need to give me time for me to come up for your house. So then, as he come, after less than two days or 3 days, he can't cut water. You see, do a website, no can they pay for water? You see him? So he can't cut the water. As he can't cut the water, now I can't call people. They can't fix the water. As they can't fix the water, I no can they pay them. Not me fix the water. Not me fix them. Now I can't stay. I no can't they pay.
No can they pay.
You not call your parents again.
So now the girl can't go police. Can't go report. Wait.
No, not even light.
Yeah, because everything I me come put them by myself. You don't cut and remember.
Even when you there, you don't see they pay. Now person when we say rent that house, the person you know because if you dey up if you dey own water bill,
so now
like if they don't cut time.
Can you let me talk? Yes. So now I come put the water, can't change put the lock again because police tell me say make me do am. So now I can't go court. Now court can't give me time. Make me take come out.
Which time?
Now make I come find this house so with
yes,
so
you know, I know. Even if you not tell me, I know so that make you call the look for emergency.
Now make me come find this house so with so.
Time?
So this time what I say, I wasn't paying, but the time when we want to come up for that house, we pay because court request for it. Why are you lying?
Wait, Sherry.
Why are you lying?
Sherry,
they didn't tell you the part.
Sherry, wait. The court told you not to pay.
No, it's not court that asked me not to pay. During the time I was staying there, before we left, before the mandate of court asked us to ask me to live there. So I mean, even this guy saying that police chased me out, even before the date, even before the date court asked me to leave, I have to leave.
No, like before the court told you say so and so date you will evacuate this apartment. Yes. How many months you tested there when you not come pay us rent?
Okay. I stayed like 6 or 7 months. But after I lived there, then I paid.
You paid the 7 months?
For it. I paid for it.
You have the receipt with you?
Okay.
I have to go through my email.
Okay, please go through your email. Thank you.
Wait, how did you not pay for the 7 months? How much is your 1 month rent?
Now, how much is your 1 month? It was self-contained. It was 380 euros.
380 times
if I not get that, I think talk something quick.
Okay, 380 times 7. Wait.
Epa, on a my concern email me pa me te beg me so.
Now, back away go pa no ya concern where. Where again?
So we'll talk, yeah. So we'll talk.
How do you think that she will take me to court and court will not request for the rent?
Wait,
it's not possible.
Madam, 380 times 7 is 2,660.
Exactly. Yes.
That is what you paid.
What about the water bill and the rest?
My sister, it wasn't. The thing wasn't reading because I did it by myself. I called someone that come to do it, and then people that knows all these people that when you don't have water when you don't have
Sheridan, can you ask me something? Even when you change it to your name, will you still paying the water bill? Because when she left, when she come out, you know, when she come out, when person enter that house, before the person put water for that house again, she need to pay this girl bill. When she takes it.
What are you saying? Wait. What are you saying? When they calculate everything. They ask
when she rent now a boy she rent have been a black person.
No, na black. Na black person get her. You know,
na black person
anybody when
na black person ask you rent.
For Spain, if I no get for Spain, like if you carry one room now, maybe you know they not be contract, but they feel that like the lady she write padron for her. You understand? If you carry one room and your husband want to stay with you, and your husband want to stay with you, they will increase the rent.
No only me they stay for that house.
People increase the rent.
No only me they stay for the house. No
if I don't give you my sister today, yeah, now tell them
wait, Mother, calm down. Wait. Sister, what's her name?
Wait. Mona, wait.
They have not to bring them up.
Kinebo, may we not divert. Because not be you rent house for Sherry. The person will rent house for Sherry their life, but you say not the TikTok. I wish that the person they talk to Sherry now will go the year. May we just cut that case off. She not pay us rent for 1 year.
No, I paid. I'm sorry, sir, but I did because Sherry not pay for it.
Sherry, wait. No Glory, no case. If Glory wants to bring up this case, she should call me direct. Then bring up this case again.
Exactly. Better.
Yes. You cannot judge case without you know 6 months.
But if I know that we say she pay, she first still get proof now.
No, wait.
Sister, I know what the more lead that case because Glory not there.
Sister Sherry, please.
Bring everything. Both Glory.
Sister Sherry, more leave that Glory.
Sister Sherry, forget this man. Sister Sherry,
leave Glory.
Sister Sherry,
I did say Glory. They come up here.
We the elders, physically and spiritual.
I can't wait. Because waiting matter right now. Now this our brother with here now. Sister, me personally, I the way they have this social for comment section because if you look comment section, people they blame this social here. Do you understand? And another thing we still look from another part now, my Benin brother be waiting doing fuck up. And I declare you right now. I'm not going to say they don't say that my person be make a call the supporter in F big time. You know understand? So now they see how picking they do you getting more the supporter. But sister, I beg. Biko Lawo. Forgive this man, I beg. Make it for free. Because even if saying go pay you, my sister, even if saying go pay you, it needs to be free. Do you understand? It needs to be free. And the condition we in there now, you yourself know. I don't say waiting you pass through because me too, I get children. I know waiting me say, woman go get belly, she don't that this as in a duress say she not give her she want put head. Inside snow. Inside winter or at the thing could be summer, whatever.
No,
I don't know when.
Sister will even cause that.
No, Mama, wait. See, Mama, wait. Not yours reason your own. I know what you feel. I know what to be pregnant woman. I know all those things. I don't experience them before. So I'm telling you now, say I know the pain where you feel. The time you can't take past all those stress and the cry where you go cry. Nobody help you. All those things. So people will not understand. If you know say you don't born, you be woman. You supposed to know the kind of pain where this woman feel. So if you did the emotion and say, you don't beg her, my dear, 3 years, you notice she passed through. So I don't really know what things transpire between them for WhatsApp or for anywhere for talk. That one, Mama, I beg, now I beg with they beg you. I beg, forgive this man. I beg, now I beg with they beg you. Lao, Biko, just for.
This woman here, she said she don't forgive so soon. But that money, you know, go feel living for me. If you are begging this woman, you don't really waste our time.
Yes.
The only thing we go do now, he say even if say not give her now, but if he get, he will give her. I go for prepare, may we leave her like that. May she not go use shame, take to say he dash her the money. At the end of the day, we go to the store for this boy for back.
Yes, no. But you know why I say this woman never forgive, Her facial expression now which they look just like a a manner of approach before when say they say make I beg you. That now the manner of approach, because if you see her face not they take forgiveness at all. You know, not they take them at all.
No,
so
like that.
we are not babies here. So you understand? She's still angry.
But so I beg, you talk this morning.
Madam, I just beg you, personally for me, forgive this man, please. If it's possible, I'm not forcing you. And if you not forgive, nobody go blame you. True to God. If you not forgive, nobody go blame you. But please, as far as they beg you, see, Mama, I beg, in the name of God, and what you believe on, forgive this man, make it go, peace. Please, okay? Thank you, madam.
Sister Sherry, bro, see, bro, so, see, auntie, since you say you forgive him naturally, but now the money where they owe you, you must take calm. So let's approximately now say, okay, let's do the sacrifice. Even when they offend you, you go still feel the pain small again. Bro, even if you don't give her the money complete, according to what he talked before, say you were planning to give her 150, and she actually said, okay, return 150 inside the money, which I wish you do at that time, this thing for no rise like this. So sister, so even if you don't pay this money complete, because as you say now, if they say more convert that 300 now, as it stands now, about today, the rate of today was about 100 euro was 168,000. So if it's 300, that's approximately 570,000. Yes, with 300 euro. If he can pay you half, auntie, all of us put math. So that half when go pay you, maybe anything they donate, give him from here, you go lose that one as sacrifice. He go still give you. Because if you go to do us, you must pay cooler, no matter what. So make it pay you half or small money. I don't know whether I talk with your mind, do.
We never even ask him why he come here. Yes, he said the deport and fine. We never ask him questions.
I just thought say maybe if later, you know, say if they come out me and I no see chance talk, that's why.
I tell you something. To me, I want me to pay her money.
Okay.
To pay her full money. She have from that minute, she have nothing against me anymore. If she like, she not gonna forgive her. He not gonna cut again for so life. Whatsoever she don't do so, the day this so give her a complete money. And that day the thing cut. If we say make this woman take half, I don't read this woman. She confirm and say yes, I read her mind. If I read my mind, that truth you do talk. I not be small picking bros. This woman so if 1 cent come for that money, you know take. I know forgive. So that 300, she will give her. But we'll call convert her for naira. Any amount to coffee still raise for her for year. Now you can know if you go Congo give the woman the money or if you do the work you
go ask someone they will take this matter so not to do affect current social media because not people get the money. You also get the money when they go take a naira or a euro. You know for thank you. Mr. Victor. I believe we are too fast. You get what I talk and say we did too fast. I don't know if you understand. The genesis of this problem, Mr. Anogi, if I talk and say, I say we forget. So came here for help. If so is financially balanced, I don't believe saying go over there, they listen to everything where everybody talk. I don't know if you understand. He not get, that's why in the year. I don't know if you understand. If to say he gets, he not go there.
Enough.
I don't know if you understand. I know say he go pay, but Mrs. Sherry, you need to pray for person when they owe you money, may they foresee money pay you. Because if you know they pray for them, sometimes they don't see money, they don't see money when they owe you. They don't feel pay you. So soon not get work. He's a deportee.
Wait, my brother, beg me to talk something. I beg me no verse.
Bros, no verse. I just want quick talk something.
I beg me no verse. I beg me a quick talk something.
Okay, talk.
My sister Sherry, God bless you so much. Thank you so much. God bless you. Where you bring this matter come aside. You feel yourself for social media like this, see person where they owe you money, they deport them. You know go talk and come aside. You go your lock up. You know say see what he do you. He repay you. That is why I use or body to insult like that. You remember I said this matter we not talk so. We not fair bring and come out for social media. You go, me and you na the same country, me and you dey now. Now fair bring this matter come out, you and these guys when I talk so. You understand me so? What I want like me, I let you know is that you way they talk so your own see there your body. Do you understand? And this boy so Leo, you don't see there in body where. Now those we not know if I about all these things, now you go to talk because me I know about all these things where this thing happen. How much you and Leo bagay when I want to open house? This so we say na so. How much na bagay that time?
700.
How much you tell the open house for Spain? Yeah.
It depends.
It's not 700.
Like in
excuse me.
1,200 or so. Then you get one of 700. So now I can't say I take the one of 700.
They know they see us open for 700. It's
I know,
from 1,300, 1,300, 1,800. Let me tell you, that time, this guy we they talk about, so this so, he not get the idea till the open us.
So why can't you collect my money?
He collect you, he listen to me. The mistake he make is that he collect your money and you not follow the right people to do this job. When I do so.
Wait.
And the problem we in get so we can't get problem, can't the Africa. Because we the year say whether not deport himself or he deport himself to Nigeria. Now me the year and the same say that deport now for ultra. Now my ass. Now for the wait, now my ass when he lose the ass, now my ass for the commot, now my ass for the bath. In the online for the call the bath, they eat the commot. Before I hear they say they tally. They say they ultra.
Wait.
The next thing I see, I say, he did Nigeria now. The deporter. You know what he did here is that, I let you know, is that you are a human being like me and you. If you pay that money, my chief no get beg. Let me talk. I beg. I know say you want to beg because I mean, all these people I beg. No verse I beg. I'll soon.
You know why?
You know what he did here? If you pay this money now, Morocco. If you pay this money to Morocco, you know if you go draw the money. Me and you know this thing. You know go do you will pay people they pay 2,000 euros to Morocco. You go open that door. Once you open that, you don't see a police or drive it for inside.
Okay, I see him, Abi. As he talk, I go see him, Abi. Thank you.
Listen,
like I said,
the contribution is too much. Well, for that year, still say somebody don't come up. Thought okay, then let's pay the 300 euro. So the contribution is too much. Well, use almost 4 hours to contribute. The contribution is too much. Just 8 minutes to another day, we they contribute. And they like, okay, maybe somebody will come and say, okay, yeah, me get 100 euro. Who get 50 euro for that? The talk is too much. This woman has already said, now what she want be this. Hey, Sherry wicked is not wicked. Now what she talk? There are people like that. You not feel expect. Say your man, not be me to say I need phone. How much is up for my account? I never check cash out, but not be me put account for say I beg me help me. I want buy better for not be all those 150 euro phone. How much? Maybe I never check. Maybe some people will just put, or some people will say, okay, if I finish, they will ask me.